The Star That Fell to Earth, a short moral story. One night, a bright star fell from the sky and landed in a quiet village. A young girl named Lila found it, glowing dimly on the ground. It was no bigger than her palm, and its light flickered weakly. "You must return to the sky," Lila said. But the star sighed, "I have lost my shine." Determined to help, Lila kept the star safe. Every night, she polished it, spoke kind words, and protected it from the cold. Slowly, the star began to glow again. One evening, the sky seemed to call the star back. With a final shimmer, it floated upward, its light shining brighter than ever. Before disappearing, it whispered, "Thank you for believing in me." That night, a new, brilliant star twinkled above Lila's home, reminding everyone that kindness and belief can help others shine again. Moral: a little kindness and faith can restore hope and strength in others. Thank you for watching.